offered here is a 1932 Ford Roadster. And this fine car is owned by Nick Alexander out of his private collection. Mr. Alexander collected, owned, and sold one of the largest Ford and Mercury Woodie collections in the world years past. This is a Dearborn winning car. It's a 98-point car. It would have been a 100-point car with the exception of a point missed for this license plate frame and a frayed wire on his very stock 32 Ford radio that's installed in this vehicle. It's all steel, black on black. We believe that everything on this car is new old stock, including the bumpers, all the attaching hardware. Runs dual cowl lights. Beautiful interior. Complete car's pinstriped. Has a Concord quality soft top. It's a rumble seat model. Mr. Alexander said this car was restored about 25 years ago. It remains in excellent condition. Power comes by a Ford flathead V8. Beautiful car. If anyone cares to give me a call to discuss this vehicle, I'd sure appreciate it. My name is Dave Henry, and my cell phone is 805-705-4924. That's 805-705-4924. And please visit my website, which is spokemotors.com. That's spoke like a wheel, S-P-O-K-E, motors, M-O-T-O-R-S.com. Thank you very much for checking in.